Welcome into the era of AI. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you the Ferrari animation. First of all, let me just go and make sure that no subtitle is actually enabled, except for the CapCut subtitles. And here, let's play the video.
Unleash the legend. Engineering excellence. The thrill of the drive. Every detail, a masterpiece. Ferrari. The dream realized.
All right, so you can see that it's actually pretty good, right? Now let's go ahead and create another video. This one is going to be a fun fact video. Now I'm going to go and basically create a design, and this is going to be a short video. So obviously I'm going to go and look for shorts. And here, YouTube Shorts, pretty much, or TikTok, whatever you want. And here, I would like to go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to start all over. So this time, instead of asking it to create a video about, or voiceover for a video about Ferrari, I'm going to say that this time, I want to create an educational video short about whales, right? So let's say you want to create a short about whales. And by the way, people can make, if you're lucky, of course, if you are lucky, if you're in luck, okay, you can get a lot of views, right? So there's many people that get millions, actually, more than millions of views, actually, not dollars, but millions of views. And it's pretty good. They just get in luck. They create a video and they get too lucky. So here, I'm going to go and name my video first. I'm going to name it Whale Video. And you can decide about the format of your video. So if you'd like to make your video kind of like a news video, this is a frame, by the way, which means I can detach the video from this anytime I want. And this is the use for frames. This is one of the best ways, or one of the best uses of frames, right? So people don't know this that much, is that frames are quite awesome for this very, very thing. So, but in our case, we're just going to create a normal video. We don't need any of these, but if you ever need to use any of these frames, you can use them. They're not too bad. They're not too bad. Okay, so right now, we're going to be going back to elements, and I'm just going to get started all over. So this is the whale video, and it seems to be that we need to start by a magic humpback whale. So let's just go ahead and just copy this description, go back to Canva. Hopefully we can find a very interesting video of that. Now here we have some very interesting videos. All right, so these are very, very good videos, and I'm just going to go and grab one of them. This one is more majestic, so I'll put it there, and I will just go forward and set the video to the background. Now here I'd like to go to the video speed, and in terms of the playback, I'm going to go and increase the speed of this. Okay, let me just click playback, increase the speed quite a little bit, and that's it. So here, move the needle back here, and it's pretty good because we have a lot of humpback whales or humpback whale videos. Now here it says, did you know whales are the giants of the ocean? Okay, well, let's copy this, and let's go back to apps. I'm not sure how many seconds are going to be in this voiceover, but let's go back to apps, and let's search for AI Voov. AI Voov, and basically it's going to showcase to us. Okay, so AI Voov, pretty good. There you go. Now I'm going to paste this in, and in terms of the voice, you can use Jenny, you can use any voice. I'm going to use Jenny Amber, actually, and I'm going to click generate. Okay, so it's going to put the voiceover here, and this is a 4.3 second voiceover, which is pretty good. Now when it comes to the playback, I can just increase the speed, and now it's pretty good. So if you want, put this back and then click the voice. Make sure that increase the voice because obviously we want to hear it louder. And let's go to the second one. The second one is a pod of blue whales. So let's copy this, a pod of blue whales. Let's copy, go back, add the page, and then click right here on elements, and basically just go and click to paste this in. There you go. And here, let's look for a pod of whales. And I think that this is a pod of whales here. So let's click it, and let's just set the video to the background. Let's show a little bit more of the other whale, and let's click the video itself. Let's go to the playback option, and let's increase the speed to 2 times, and go back and grab the text which says the blue whale, da da da. Okay. So let's copy this particular script. Just for now, let's keep the video speed at 1, and let's go to Apps, search AI Vuv, and here we have this beautiful whale right there. So I'm going to go ahead over here and enter my text. And when it comes to the voice, I'm going to use Amber, and I'm going to generate the voice. So now I'm going to generate the voice, and you can see that the voice has been generated. Let's check it out. Let's see how it is. It's 5.5, so we need to go to the playback option and double the speed. And here, when it comes to this, I can just go and crop the extra edge like this, and a little bit more like this, and that's it. So now let's go back, and here we have a visual close-up of a whale blowhole. Okay, I'm not sure if I can find this exactly, but let's just copy the description to Canva, add a new page. Of course, let's click on this voiceover and transform it to 150 in terms of the audio, and go to Elements. Now I'm going to go forward, paste, hit Enter. Notice I didn't use 11 labs, by the way. Now let's go to Videos, click the empty one, and here I'm not sure if this is what we're looking for. Yeah, this is what we're looking for, but let's see some other one. This seems to be more majestic, so I will go with this one. Okay, so I'll go with this one. This one is pretty large, but I will just extract the scene that I need. So I will first of all right click to set the video to the background. Then I'll just click right here to focus on the humpback, and I will also check to see when does it release that sprout, whatever they call it. Let me click done here. All right, so at this stage, which means I have to come right here, and I'll just click split, and I'll split, and I'll just get rid of this, and I'll keep this, but I'll go to the playback option, and I'll increase it double the speed, and I'll move this needle back at the beginning, and I'll go back right here. And here, when it comes to this scene, the voiceover says, whales breathe air just like us through their blowholes. And I'm going to go to Apps, AI Vuv, and just paste in my voiceover and click right here on the voiceover artist, change it to Amber for consistency, and click Generate. This case is going to generate the video or the voiceover for us. It's 4.2, so first let's click it, and let's go to the voice and change it to 150 in terms of the voice length. And now once that's said and done, I'm going to click here and just decrease the size of the video and go back to the script. A mother whale and her calf swimming together. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. Let's go to Elements, search this on Canva. A mother whale, okay, and her calf. This one is pretty good, so I'll just click on plus, and I'll take one of those. This one is also good. This is a pretty good one, so let's set the video to the background, and let's go back to the voiceover. Let us copy the voiceover, come back to Canva, and then click Apps, AI Vuv, and here let's just double click to paste the voiceover. Click right here, make sure you select Amber, and then click Generate Audio, in which case it's going to go and generate the audio. And once it generates the audio, I can click on the audio, make sure it's about 150 in terms of the audio strength. And I should go right here and make sure that I just crop it, make it smaller. And that's it. Now let's go back, and here we have 20 to 25 seconds of the visual underwaters of whales communicating. Not sure if this is going to show us some whales communicating. I'm going to go to Elements, search again. They seem to have a huge library of whales, you know. That's very interesting. Now let's click plus, and here we have some whales. Okay, that's pretty good, but I'm going to take maybe this one because it looks more majestic. Okay, and what I will do with it, I'll just go to playback, double the speed, and then set the video to the background. and go back for the voiceover, which is whales use complex songs to communicate over vast oceans. So I'll go back to apps, AI Voove, select the voice, which is Amber, double click, paste, generate audio, and that will generate the audio. Now, let's click the audio right here. Okay, click the audio, make sure that I go to the sound, make this 150, and let's click here and make sure that we just decrease the size of it, like so. And now let's go back here. So here we have a visual, a tranquil ocean, da da da. Okay. I'm just going to copy it as it is in any way. So I'll go to elements, go right here, paste, enter. I'll click plus. There you go. And here, it seems pretty good, but I'm looking for a whale, a tranquil ocean sunset with a blue whale. Okay, it seems that, we just need to show the ocean. So I'm going to click and then playback and then video speed, double, right click, set video to the background, and then go to the commercial script, copy the voiceover, and then go back and then make sure that we go to apps, click AI Voove, and then make sure I just put the text in and make sure that I also put this as Amber and generate the audio. And that is pretty much it. So the audio has been generated. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go to the volume, make it 150. And that's it. Now I'm just going to take this and I'm going to decrease the speed, or not the speed, but decrease the size. And that is it. So here, if I actually were to move to the beginning, this is the video. All we need to do is to go and download this video. So I will download this video and we will add captions to it. First of all, let me just click download. Now, while this is downloading, I'm going to go and open up CapCut just to get things at the ready. And with captions and filters inside of CapCut, this gets better. Now, normally my job is to show you how to create a video in Canva, and I did a good job of showing you how to do this, which means that you don't need to go and use the CapCut technique that I'm about to teach you and that I also taught you in the previous videos. But if you're seeking to make your video next level, if you're seeking to publish it and for people to like what you are producing, a video with captions and so on and so forth and with good effects, then you need to follow what I'm about to do. But normally you can just be content with a natural video or the video as it is. But right now, let me go ahead and open up a project inside of CapCut. The video has been downloaded, so we can use it right now in our editing. All right, so we have the video. Now I'm going to go back to CapCut and click import. So this is a new CapCut project. And again, the formula, click import and go to your video and make sure you click it. And once you've clicked your video, make sure you drag the video. Now, sorry if I seem like I'm basically a little bit, my heart is racing because I just went and did something fast and it was a taxing task. Okay, so it was like I'm boxing or something. So here, as you can see, this is pretty good. The scene is here. Now, normally I'm a pro, so they should show me that I'm already a pro, but these bugs can happen sometimes. And sometimes to fix them, you just have to click X, close this window, and get back to the project by clicking back on the project like this, or closing everything all together and maybe opening a new CapCut tab. That way you should see that the pro tag is displayed here. Yeah, like I said, this is it. So I become a pro in this tool, which is true, by the way. So here you can see that this is pretty good. I like this. I think it's fantastic. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to the filters. Now, usually I will use adjustments, but filters are also good because you can go and look for an ocean filter, a cinema filter, a movie filter. For example, here, there's the clear filter. I think it would apply great. So I will drag the clear filter. And this basically applies, makes things a little bit clearer. than they are. And I think that this would be interesting. So I'm going to go and apply this filter all through the video. And I'm going to go and click captions. And in terms of the captions, all I need to do is click generate. And it will notice and it will read the text inside of my video, which is in English, purely in English. And it will basically go ahead and create captions for that. And I can also use from their captions templates. They have a lot of captions templates that I can use from. So here we go. Now the captions are there. What I need to do is I need to go to templates right here on this side. And in terms of the templates, I will go and grab myself a couple of templates. So here you can see that these are some beautiful templates. This is pretty good. So what I will do is I will just scroll down to find out some interesting templates to use. This one has the ocean vibe to it. So I'll click to add this one. I think this one is pretty good. And once you added your caption, you can make sure to go and try to move things to the middle, because normally here they display your logo, the subscribe, call to action. So you should put whatever you want to put a bit to the top. So select all your captions and then just move the needle slightly so that you can see the caption, and then push this to the middle like I'm doing. And I could just go and make this a little bit bigger than it is. And now I have my captions. So that's pretty much it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and click export. And I'd like to export this video like this. I'll just say TikTok hump, right? TikTok hump back whale short. And of course, this can also go not only as a TikTok video, but YouTube Shorts, Instagram, even Pinterest. Even though Pinterest, most people are not used to audio content, they're used to visual content, but also Facebook, by the way, Facebook Reels. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm just gonna wait for this video to render and we're gonna watch it together. Hello there and welcome back. So right now we're gonna go ahead and basically complete or watch our humpback whale video.
Did you know? Whales are the giants of the ocean. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, reaching up to 100 feet long. Whales breathe air, just like us, through their blowholes. These gentle giants are known for their strong family ties. Whales use complex songs to communicate across vast ocean distances. Whales play a vital role in maintaining the health of our oceans.
I could have added some Serenity music or some kind of thing like this. It would be very easy especially using the TuneTank app right here in Canva. But this marks the end of this video. I will see you in the next video.